Hazrat Amr bin Hurais declared it permissible and said, "Some is done with a liar and a cheat." Shabi ibn Sirin, Ata and Qatada said to here is also an evidence. Hassan Basri says, one should say I witnessed nothing but heard such and such. Hazrat Salim narrates that he heard Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu saying, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Hazrat Ubay bin Ka'ab Ansari set out for the garden in which Ibn Sayyad would live. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam entered it, he kept on advancing under cover of the branches of date palms, so as to listen to the talk of Ibn Sayyad before he might see him. Lying on his bed, covered up, Ibn Sayyad was humming. Ibn Sayyad's mother witnessed the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam hiding behind the date palms. So she said to Ibn Sayyad, "O Saf, here is Muhammad." So Ibn Sayyad observed silence. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if she had left him in that very state, something would have been unraveled. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2638.